Welcome to Beijing, a city of ancient wonders and modern marvels. Join us as we take to the skies, embarking on a remarkable journey above the bustling streets and grand avenues of China's capital. Our aerial perspective will grant us a unique vantage point, revealing the intricate tapestry of history, culture, and progress that defines this extraordinary metropolis. Get ready to explore the rich history and modern marvels of China's capital city from a bird's-eye view. Here, in the very heart of Beijing, lies Tiananmen Square, a vast expanse of concrete and history. This iconic location is not just a physical space, but a living testament to the rich tapestry of China's past, present, and future. It is a place where the stories of emperors, revolutionaries, and everyday citizens converge, creating a mosaic of memories that define the soul of a nation. It is a place of immense cultural and national significance, where the echoes of China's past resonate through the ages. The square has seen the rise and fall of dynasties, the birth of a republic, and the struggles for freedom and democracy. Each stone, each monument, and each building within this square holds a story, a piece of the puzzle that is China's complex history. Our drone ascends, granting us a panoramic view of this iconic square, its sheer scale taking our breath away. From this vantage point, we can see the meticulous planning and grand vision that went into its creation. The vastness of the square is a reflection of the vastness of China's history and its ambitions for the future. Look, over there at the northern end stands the Gate of Heavenly Peace, its vibrant red hues a stark contrast to the azure sky above. This gate is not just an architectural marvel, but a symbol of the enduring spirit of the Chinese people. It has stood the test of time, witnessing the ebb and flow of history, and remains a beacon of hope and resilience. This imposing gate, adorned with a portrait of Chairman Mao Zedong, has borne witness to countless pivotal moments in China's history. The portrait of Chairman Mao is a reminder of the revolutionary changes that have shaped modern China. It stands as a testament to the country's journey from a feudal society to a modern socialist state. From the proclamation of the People's Republic in 1949 to the student demonstrations of 1989, Tiananmen Square has been the stage for both triumph and tragedy. These events have left an indelible mark on the collective memory of the nation, shaping its identity and its path forward. The square is a place of reflection, where the past and present meet, and where the future is contemplated. Today, as we observe the steady stream of visitors from all walks of life, we are reminded of the square's enduring power as a symbol of China's national identity. People come here to pay their respects, to learn, and to be inspired. The square continues to be a place of gathering, a place where the spirit of the nation is alive and thriving. It is a testament to the resilience and unity of the Chinese people, a place where history is not just remembered but lived every day. Our drone now carries us over the Forbidden City, a sprawling testament to the grandeur and power of China's imperial past. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, once the exclusive domain of emperors and their entourages, is now a window into a bygone era. For nearly 5 centuries, from the early 15th to the early 20th century, the Forbidden City served as the political and ceremonial heart of the Chinese Empire. Look down and you can see the intricate network of courtyards, palaces, and gardens, all meticulously arranged according to the principles of Feng Shui. At the very center lies the Hall of Supreme Harmony, the largest and most important structure within the Forbidden City. It was here that emperors would receive their subjects, hold court, and preside over grand ceremonies. As our drone glides over golden-tiled roofs and past ornate gateways, we can only imagine the secrets and stories held within these ancient walls. We now venture beyond the city limits, our drone soaring towards the rugged mountains that lie to Beijing's north. These mountains, with their jagged peaks and deep valleys, have long stood as silent sentinels, guarding the northern approaches to the city. Here, amidst the verdant peaks and valleys, we find Battling, a place where nature's beauty and human history intertwine seamlessly. Battling is one of the most well-preserved sections of the Great Wall of China. This section has been meticulously maintained, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience the grandeur of ancient China. From our aerial perspective, the wall snakes its way across the landscape, a testament to human ingenuity and determination. The wall's undulating path mirrors the natural contours of the land, creating a harmonious blend of man-made and natural beauty. Each stone and brick in the wall tells a story of perseverance and resilience, reflecting the collective effort of countless laborers who toiled to create this monumental structure. For centuries, this monumental fortification served as a vital line of defense against invading armies, protecting the Chinese heartland from incursions. The wall's watchtowers and battlements were manned by vigilant soldiers, ever ready to repel any threat. The Great Wall's defensive structures were ingeniously designed, incorporating various features to enhance its effectiveness. From crenellations to arrow slits, every element had a purpose. Construction of the Great Wall began in the 7th century BC and continued for centuries, with various dynasties adding to and reinforcing its structure. Each dynasty left its mark, contributing to the wall's evolution and expansion. The wall we see today is a mosaic of different architectural styles and techniques, reflecting the diverse influences of the dynasties that built and rebuilt it. As our drone flies alongside the wall, we can appreciate the sheer scale of this undertaking. The wall stretches for thousands of miles, winding its way across deserts, mountains, and grasslands. The sheer length of the wall is staggering, a continuous line that seems to stretch into infinity. It is a symbol of the enduring spirit and determination of the Chinese people. The wall stretches for thousands of miles, winding its way across deserts, mountains, and grasslands. Each section of the wall offers a unique glimpse into the past, revealing the challenges and triumphs of its builders. Winding its way across deserts, the wall stands as a stark contrast to the barren landscape, a ribbon of stone cutting through the vast expanse of sand. In the mountains, the wall climbs steep slopes and descends into deep valleys, showcasing the engineering prowess of its builders. In the grasslands, it stretches out like a giant serpent, blending seamlessly with the natural surroundings. At Battling, we see the wall in all its glory, its watchtowers and battlements rising majestically against the backdrop of the surrounding mountains. This section of the wall is a testament to the enduring legacy of the Great Wall and its significance in Chinese history. Its watchtowers and battlements rising majestically against the backdrop of the surrounding mountains. The Great Wall of China is not just a physical barrier, but a symbol of the strength and resilience of a civilization that has stood the test of time. Returning to the heart of the city, our drone now takes us above Beijing's central business district, a striking contrast to the ancient wonders we've witnessed thus far. This is a modern metropolis in every sense of the word, a testament to China's economic rise and its embrace of globalization. Towering skyscrapers pierce the sky, their glass facades reflecting the sunlight in a dazzling display. Below, the streets teem with life, a constant flow of vehicles and pedestrians navigating the urban jungle. Among the most recognizable structures in the CBD is the CCTV headquarters building, its distinctive angular design, a bold statement of architectural innovation. This iconic skyscraper, often referred to as the Big Pants due to its unusual shape, is a symbol of China's ambition and its growing influence on the world stage. As our drone maneuvers through this forest of concrete and steel, we are struck by the sheer energy and dynamism of this rapidly evolving cityscape. Our final destination on this aerial adventure takes us to the outskirts of Beijing, where we find the Summer Palace, a sprawling imperial garden and palace complex that offers a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of the city. This magnificent site, steeped in history and culture, is a testament to the grandeur of ancient Chinese architecture and landscape design. The Summer Palace, known as Yiheyuan in Chinese, translates to Garden of Nurtured Harmony, a fitting name for a place that exudes peace and tranquility. As our drone approaches the palace, we are greeted by a breathtaking vista. The vast expanse of the palace grounds unfolds before us, revealing a harmonious blend of natural beauty and man-made structures. The intricate layout of the gardens, the elegant architecture of the buildings, and the serene waters of Kunming Lake all come together to create a scene of unparalleled beauty. Lush greenery stretches out before us, punctuated by shimmering lakes, graceful bridges, and colorful pavilions. Each element of the landscape has been carefully designed to create a sense of balance and harmony. The trees and plants are meticulously maintained, providing a verdant backdrop to the sparkling waters and vibrant structures. The bridges, with their elegant arches, add a touch of grace to the scene, while the pavilions, with their bright colors and intricate designs, offer a glimpse into the rich cultural heritage of China. The Summer Palace was designed as a place of leisure and retreat for the imperial family, and it's easy to see why they chose this idyllic location. The peaceful surroundings and the beautiful scenery provided a perfect escape from the pressures of court life. The palace grounds were a place where the emperors and their families could relax, enjoy the beauty of nature, and find solace in the tranquility of their surroundings. The centerpiece of the Summer Palace is Kunming Lake, a vast expanse of water that dominates the landscape. This man-made lake, covering an area of over 200 hectares, is a marvel of ancient engineering. The lake was created by enlarging an existing body of water and using the excavated soil to build Longevity Hill. The result is a stunning feature that adds to the overall beauty and tranquility of the palace grounds. We watch as boats glide across its surface, their passengers enjoying the tranquility of their surroundings. The gentle movement of the boats on the calm waters of the lake adds to the sense of peace and relaxation that pervades the entire area. Visitors can rent traditional Chinese boats and take a leisurely ride on the lake, soaking in the beauty of the landscape and the serenity of the environment. On the lake's northern shore stands Longevity Hill, from which visitors can enjoy panoramic views of the entire palace complex. The hill, which rises to a height of over 60 meters, offers a vantage point from which to appreciate the full extent of the palace grounds. From the top of the hill, one can see the intricate layout of the gardens, the elegant architecture of the buildings, and the serene waters of Kunming Lake, all coming together to create a scene of breathtaking beauty. As our drone circles above this oasis of peace and beauty, we are reminded of the importance of preserving such places, not just for their historical significance, but for the respite they provide from the relentless pace of modern life. The Summer Palace is more than just a historical site. It is a sanctuary where one can escape the noise and chaos of the modern world and find a moment of peace and reflection. It is a place where the beauty of nature and the elegance of human design come together to create a haven of tranquility. As our aerial journey draws to a close, we bid farewell to this captivating city. From the historical grandeur of Tiananmen Square and the Forbidden City, to the modern marvels of the CBD and the tranquil beauty of the Summer Palace, Beijing has revealed itself to be a city of contrasts and complexities. We hope you enjoyed the tour and learned something new about this incredible city. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing drone tours.